In this video, we will show you how to configure your teams in the admin portal, how to add agents to teams, and how to add individual assignments to agents once they are part of a team. We will first cover skill sets, as you may want to configure skill sets prior to configuring your teams. Clicking Configure, General, Skill Sets will take you to the Skill Sets configuration page. As there should already be an IVR created, you should see a list of available queues under Skill Set Properties. Clicking Add at the top of the Skill Sets window will allow you to create new skill sets. Change the name of the skill set and choose Update to create it. With the new skill set highlighted, select any queues or skills that you wish to be a part of the skill set. Select the priority of these queues, 1 being the highest and 10 being the lowest, and once again select Update. When modifying any existing and in-use skill set from this page, you can apply the settings to a working call center by selecting the checkbox for Apply Changes to Active Sessions After Updating, prior to clicking Update. Navigating to Configure, General, Agents tab, you may initially see that there is only one team, the default team. If any teams were previously built, you should also see them in the list. Clicking a plus sign next to any team will expand the team and allow you to see any agents that are currently assigned to that team. To create a new team, simply click Add Team at the top of the page and begin to configure the settings applicable for your new team. Name the team and choose the caller ID that will be assigned to outbound calls made from this team. In the following section, select a location if multiple locations apply, skip supervisor, and then set the initial call status from the drop-down list for agents signing into the agent software. Set all time limits for agent statuses, noting that these times will only alert personnel that are monitoring the call center that an agent has exceeded the allotted time for. To automatically change an agent status once the time limit has been reached, you must check the Force to Available After Timeout condition when not ready or wrap up. However, this will only apply to not ready and wrap up. When making any changes, always remember to click Update. Unless you are creating a team of individuals that are supervisors or management, on the Security tab it would be best to just leave the default agent selected. As you will learn shortly, after adding agents to the team, you can individually enhance their roles. On the Skill Sets tab, select any of the old or newly created skill sets that will apply to this team. If you are modifying an existing team, select Apply Changes to Active Sessions After Updating before clicking Update. This will add or change the current skills to any member currently assigned to the team. From the Members tab, you can now choose any or all agents to be a part of your new team. Be aware that agents can only be a member of one team. Current members of this team will be shaded, and any agent that is available to be moved to this team will be available for selection. You can set a limit for team members on how many concurrent chat sessions they can handle at one time, and you can also set the music on hold that will play to any caller when an agent places them on hold. If you are working on creating multiple teams at once and they have exact or similar settings, you can utilize the clone option at the top of the page to make a copy of the team and then modify the new team as needed. Note that the cloned team will not have any members, as members can only live in one team as previously mentioned. Now that the teams are configured, let's look at the agents themselves. The reason for building teams first is that when adding agents to an already configured team, the agents will inherit the qualities of the team automatically, lessening the work of configuring each agent individually. However, some agents may need some individual modification, which we will cover now. As we can see with these agents, all of them inherited the role of agent from the team. If needed, you can adjust the roles individually from the drop-down menu, or by assigning individual permissions as you see fit. Checking the "This user is a supervisor" checkbox will make this person a supervisor. Roles are as follows. Agents can only monitor their stats. Team leader can monitor any agent on their team, but no other team leaders. Office manager can monitor team leaders and agents in their office location, but no other office managers. Call center managers can monitor everyone except for other call center managers. Administrators can view everyone in the call center. An external user only has the ability to use the monitor function and listen to calls. They have no other access to the admin portal, and this is used for the clients of the call center to be able to ensure that the call center is performing on their best interest. For example, we will make this agent a team leader, automatically adding more permissions, and we will also make this person a supervisor. Choose Update, and we now see that this agent is an available choice to make as a supervisor to other members of the team. General information can also be altered per agent. On the Skills page, individual agents will inherit the skills that were set on the Skill Sets tab for the team. If you have agents that are perhaps cross-trained over different departments, you can add individual skills here. Select the Manage Individual Skills button at the top of the page. Select additional individual skills for this agent and select OK. Once again, if you wish to apply these changes immediately, choose Apply Changes to Active Sessions after updating, prior to selecting OK. You can now see the skills individually assigned as well as inherited from the team. You should now have a better understanding of configuring agents and teams from the admin portal.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.